In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the site language in WordPress and adjust your WooCommerce settings accordingly. This is a simple yet powerful way to make your online store or website more accessible to a broader audience. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control room of your website, a hub where you can manage all your site's content and settings. Once you're there, look for the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down to find the Settings tab and click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu appear, and from there, select General. This section controls some of the fundamental settings for your WordPress site, including the language. Now, let's focus on changing the site language. You'll notice a section labeled Site Language. This drop-down menu contains a list of available languages that you can choose for your WordPress interface. Take your time to scroll through and select the language that best fits your target audience's needs or your content's theme. After you select the desired language, remember to hit the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. This action ensures your choice is updated across the entire WordPress installation. Once you've saved these changes, your entire WordPress interface will automatically switch to the language you've just selected, provided there's a translation available. This is really handy because WooCommerce, the popular WordPress plugin for online stores, will also adapt to this new language setting, giving your customers a seamless shopping experience in their native language. However, what if the language you're targeting isn't fully translated in WooCommerce or WordPress? Don't worry, there's a handy workaround you can use. By harnessing the power of translation plugins like Loco Translate, you can add custom translations for any language you want. Loco Translate is a popular tool because it's user-friendly and integrates well with WordPress. To get started with Loco Translate, first install the plugin from the WordPress plugin repository. Once installed, you can access it from your WordPress dashboard. Loco Translate allows you to create and edit language files directly in your admin panel. This means you can add new translations or modify existing ones to better suit your specific terminology and tone, tailoring the language of your WooCommerce site to meet your exact needs. And that's it! With just a few clicks in your dashboard and the help of a plugin, you can significantly broaden the appeal of your WordPress and WooCommerce sites. Not only will this improve the user experience for your current audience, but it will also open doors to new ones. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more of our tutorials to continue enhancing your WordPress website. See you next time.